Subaru's Crosstrek for 2026 steps into hybrid territory with what feels like careful, competent engineering rather than gimmickry. The new Crosstrek hybrid brings Subaru's next-generation hybrid powertrain into the compact AWD crossover segment, giving buyers improved fuel economy without surrendering the Crosstrek's core strengths: standard symmetrical all-wheel drive, reasonable ground clearance, and rugged-friendly packaging. Subaru's own materials present the hybrid as a balance, a Crosstrek that asks less at the pump while still shrugging off gravel lanes and light snow. Mechanically, Subaru's approach is pragmatic. The hybrid pairs a capable flat-4 in the family of Subaru Boxer engines, with electric assistance designed to improve mileage and low-speed torque delivery, handy when you're pulling away on a damp dirt track. Subaru's press notes show the company positioning this as a true AWD hybrid system. It's not a glorified front-drive hybrid with token traction, but a system built to uphold Subaru's on and off-pavement reputation. For shoppers who drive in climates where grip matters, that's vital. The Crosstrek hybrid aims to keep the brand's promise of capability while trimming fuel bills. Inside, Subaru hasn't gone overboard. Expect the same practical layout and durable materials Crosstrek drivers like, with a nicer digital display and updated infotainment as part of the 2026 refresh. Interior room and cargo flexibility remain competitive in this class, and Subaru advertises the hybrid with the same utility-first thinking: fold-flat seats, sensible cubbies, and an ergonomics-first control layout that's easy to use on the move. For video, show the cargo area and fold-flat rear seats, and a quick cockpit pan to underline Subaru's do-it-all ethos. Pricing and availability are straightforward. Subaru has announced pricing tiers and timing for the 2026 lineup. The hybrid joins the range at a point meant to lure buyers who care about fuel economy without wanting to leave AWD behind. That places the Crosstrek hybrid as a smart alternative to non-AWD compact hybrids and most compact crossovers that only offer FWD-based efficiency. For vlog copy, talk about who should care. If you drive in mixed weather, want better miles per gallon, and still need grip and cargo, this is the Crosstrek to test drive.